So the last time we faced Republic of Ireland was back in 2012. We obviously won 1-0 against Hellemore, but unfortunately we were on the other end of this today.
Yeah, it's disappointing obviously from our point of view. We conceded quite an early on goal, and I feel like overall in the game that's made their chance and they took it. But you know, overall I think we had a lot of possession, especially second half. We just couldn't get the goal in the end.
They were defensively very strong, weren't they? And it was difficult for us to break through in the end.
Yeah, they dropped deep, which I think is credit to ourselves that they thought we were going to have a lot of the ball. So as our team performance that we've actually kept possession, but again it was hard for us to play through them because they had a good defensive block.
It was a great opportunity for some of the younger girls with Hellemore on the bench. What do you think? How did they perform?
Yeah, it's a great chance for the girls in tournament football like this to come on and prove themselves and see where they're at internationally for the seniors. And I think Shauna coming on next to me at centre back, she did a good job. And again, like you said, Amina, 15-year-old girl, is playing for senior level, out of position as well, and she's done a great job for the last 10 minutes or so.